Chiwenga demands the arrest of looting Zvigananda. The 21st of September 2025. Spread the Love. By Lois Chimhin. Harare, embattled President Emerson Mnangagwa appeared to resist calls from his loyalists to postpone the 2028 harmonized elections to 2030, following a tense Politburo meeting in which Vice President Constantino Chiwenga presented a dossier alleging that the party had been captured by a group of looters collectively known as the Zvigananda, KUTYA Tagwari, Wicknell Chivio, Delishangua, and Scott Sakapwanya. Chiwenga demanded the immediate arrest of the group for alleged financial crimes, sending shockwaves through ZANU-PF, fearing that his key allies could face prosecution. While he was away at the United Nations, Mnangagwa reportedly canceled his annual trip to New York as political tensions escalated. The decision underscores the growing strain within the ruling party and the fragility of Mnangagwa's grip on power. During the Politburo meeting, Chiwenga reportedly questioned Zimbabwe's State Security Minister, Lovemore Matuk, asking where he had been during the liberation struggle, pointing out that Matuk was only born in 1962 and therefore could not have participated. Matuk responded by accusing Chiwenga of harboring presidential ambitions and fighting for power, suggesting that the vice president aimed to block Mnangagwa's alleged 2030 project or curb the influence of Tagwari, Mnangagwa's preferred successor. As tensions simmered, some retired pro-Chiwenga military leaders reportedly rejoined the Army's reserve force, adding further weight to the unfolding standoff. Speaking to ZANU-PF Central Committee, Mnangagwa said, "It is of importance that we introspect as a party, not only with regards to our short-term activities, but in view of the bigger objective that our party wins the 2028 harmonized general elections." Former ZANU-PF National Political Commissar and one-time Mnangagwa adversary Savior Kasukuwar warned those in power not to underestimate public anger. There comes a time when the streets present an opportunity to free oneself. There is a point at which people can contain the pain and humiliation they have endured under kleptocracy and corrupt regimes, he wrote on his X handle, stressing that ignoring simmering societal anger can lead to disastrous consequences. Political analysts say Mnangagwa's cancellation of his UN trip, coupled with Chiwenga's direct attack on the Zvigananda, signals a deepening power struggle within ZANU-PF. Sources describe the president's inner circle as a private looting cartel, with the Zvigananda allegedly capturing government operations across Zimbabwe, further fueling public resentment and internal party divisions. The confrontation exposes the widening cracks within the ruling party and raises urgent questions about the future of governance, accountability, and leadership succession in Zimbabwe.